Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this fiery, orangey, yellowy kind of look. It looks really tricky, but it's actually really straightforward to do. So I'm just going in my Soph Revolution palette here. This one's the Extra Spice, and I'm going in with this Running Late shade just as my transition shade and just kind of buffing that in. And then once that is done, I'm then going to go in with Sweet and Sour. This one's more of a burnt orange, just to kind of brighten it up and make it more vibrant. And I'm just building up that pigmentation until I am happy with how it looks. Then I'm just going in with some concealer and just cutting my crease there so that we can get ready for the yellow shade, the shimmer shade. And the shade is called LA Sun. And first I'm just tapping that on with my finger and just kind of swiping it onto the concealer. Then going back in with Sweet and Sour and just tidying up a bit, so just placing it in between where we put the shade before and onto the shimmer shades a little bit, just so it kind of blends nicely and there's no sharp edges. And then I'm just going to do this exactly the same to the other eye, and with some help by editing, here is the other eye. And then I'm just using a fluffy brush to just blend out any edges that I think are a bit unblended, so just making it all look seamless. And then I'm going to be mixing these two colours together, so Sweet and Sour and also 21. And I'm just putting those colours on the outer V there. And I'm just going in with a flat shader brush and kind of reapplying any shimmer shade that was lost. And I'm just going in with my NYC liquid liner and just giving myself a bit of a winged liner. And that's how that's looking there. So just going in with that 21 shade again with a pencil brush and just kind of buffing that in right on the outer V there. And then just blending once again. And then I'm going in with my Urban Decay glitter liner and going in with the shade Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just kind of putting that above my crease there. And of course you can do this without the glitter liner, but I don't know, I just thought it was a nice addition to the look, and I just thought it made it look a little extra. And that's how that's looking there. I'm then going to go in with some mascara. I'm using my Maybelline, the Colossal mascara there, and just going in with some lashes. These are the Pinky Goat lashes in Sarah, I think. So just putting those on and going on to face. I'm using the Makeup Forever Step 1 primer there, and then going in with my MAC Strobe Cream and just buffing that into the skin. Then for foundations, I'm going with two foundations, the Huda Beauty in the shade Angel Food and the L'Oreal Pro Glow in the shade 201, and just mixing those on my face. Then going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Sand to just contour and kind of warm up the face. So I'm just putting this by my cheekbones and on my forehead a little bit and on my nose. Then for some concealer, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair. Then I'm going to be going in with my iconic London Illuminator and just kind of popping that on the high points of my cheek. Then I'm just going to go in with some Laura Mercier loose setting powder and just setting all my concealer in place. And there's me just having a good old dance and a sing. Then for bronzer, I'm going with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium Tan and just bronzing up the face, so the forehead and the, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just having a good old look at the brush. And I'm also bronzing my cheekbones. Then once I am looking sufficiently more tan and more human-like, I will be going in my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This is the light to medium one, and I'm just going in with these two shades here to contour my cheekbones. And then I'm also going to go in with just the lighter shade there, just contour my nose. And I'm just gonna kind of make my cheeks more chiseled by just putting a bit of powder underneath there just to bake. And going in with some blush, I'm gonna go in with the Zoeva palette here. This is like the more coral one. Then for highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Adore Beauty highlighter in the shade Like a Diamond and just popping that on my cheekbones, my nose. As you can see, I really like this highlighter. As you can tell, I just can't get enough of it. And then back to eyes, I'm going back in with that Sweet and Sour shade on a pencil brush and kind of putting that on my bottom lash line there and making sure that's all blended, and going in with 21 and also putting that on the bottom lash line as well. And just make sure that's all blended with a fluffy brush because I like the grungy look. And going in with that same highlighter, I'm just popping that in the inner corner and also on my brow bone. Then for lips, I'm gonna go in with this Zoeva lip pencil. I'm pretty sure the shade is called Ethereal or something like that. It's just a nude pencil, and I'm just lining my lips with that. And then for lipstick, I'm just going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Naked and just popping that on as well. And of course you can just keep it completely matte like it is here, but I wanted a little bit of gloss. So I went in with my Buxom White Russian gloss and just kind of tapped it a bit onto the lip colour just to make it look a bit more juicy. And that, guys, is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this look. But yeah, if you really like this look, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, maybe leave a comment or even subscribe. But until next time, guys, bye.